guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this. I wanted to do a makeup look. I was gonna do a haul, but it's not too many pieces and I wanted to do something a little more colorful today. I do have a training to go to with a lot of people that I work with that I want to be a little more dressed up for. So I picked up this palette, I want to say over the summer. It's called Glam Burgundy HerMine. Looks like this. Very, very beautiful. The colors, super beautiful. I really wanted to add this color, but I didn't want to be a little too much for this training I have to go to. This is a look. That's how it looks. If you're new here, my name is Jackie. I do haul videos, fashion inspo, home decor, beauty tutorials. If that's something that you're interested, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. Before I go into the video, I want to ask you guys if you want me to do Vlogmas. I feel like I did okay last year. Let me know. And if you're new here and you hear the snoring, it's my dog. So, let's get into it. Okay. I went downstairs to take my pictures for Instagram. One flight down. And I'm already out of breath. That tells you you out of shape. Okay, so this is the final look. And again, using this palette. I got this, I want to say TJ Maxx for like $3.99. Look how beautiful the colors are. So I wanted something sultry, not too dark, but still have like some color, because I am wearing black and white and I wanted something to pop out, not to be too much neutral. I am wearing a white coat on top. I'll post a picture because it'll wash me out. But anyways, I wanted something with some color. This is the look. I have training today, so I am going to be putting on a mask, but I wanted to be a little more dressed up because, you know, you're with other people that you work with, higher ups and stuff, and you want to be a little more presentable than your casual, just browse and go look. So if you're new here and you stood to the end, I hope you hit that subscribe button, join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. And let me back up because I didn't even tell you what this is called. HerMine. And it's called Glam Burgundy. That's all it's called. And I really like how it turned out. It looks really, really, really nice. So I will catch you guys in the next one.